Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video, we're going to create this effect with the text and these spikes to the outside. Now, the connoisseur might immediately recognize that this is related to metaballs. So let's create it. I have prepared a text object down here, and so we have both of them visible. I'm going to move it here. Now what we need are horizontal lines. So I'm just going to draw one here and move it slightly down and then make a copy with transform again like this. So we have these lines here. We can move them a little. So as you notice, the bottom line here is slightly lower, but I'm going to just leave it as that. And as you can see, they don't have stroke or fill, and I'm going to apply that to the text as well, so it doesn't have either. Let's select this all and group it. And now we need the appearance panel. And in the appearance panel, I'm going to add a new fill to that and give it the color that I want to have in the end. And this fill now needs the effects. So I'm going to start with offset path, and you need to balance those offset values to the size of your object. So I have already figured that out. It needs to be 1.6 millimeters, and then it's okay. And now we need Pathfinder add like this, and then we need another copy of this, but it needs to be edited to minus, and of course it needs to be round. And then we've got our effect. That's all you need to do.